Welcome. In this episode, I'm going to give you a good idea of what you'll pay for your replacement window and patio door project. I'm Frank G, and this is the 2-Minute Window. So at Jantek, we want to serve as the fair and direct source of answers to all of your replacement window and patio door questions. We manufacture vinyl replacement windows. And let's face it, although vinyl replacement windows are the absolute popular replacement windows and doors by far, vinyl is not for everyone. Like any other product you purchase, there are pros and cons to each when considering a consumer's ultimate objective. So I want to give you a guide to the cost comparison of all types of replacement windows and patio doors. There are two things to consider when you're researching the cost of any type of replacement windows and patio doors. First, the scope of work of your project. And second, the purchase price. So let's start by taking a look at the cost of wood-clad, vinyl, aluminum, composite framed windows and patio doors. We'll get an idea of how much to budget for each type. Keep in mind that these prices will vary based on the scope of your replacement project and also from region to region. You need to know that you can purchase stock sizes of replacement windows and patio doors right off the shelf from a big box store or a lumber yard. Or you can purchase custom manufactured replacement vinyl windows and other types of materials making up the windows and patio doors from a manufacturer's authorized dealer. At Jantek, we kind of have a unique situation where we actually manufacture and install all of our own windows. So the difference between a stock window and custom window is that the stock price sized products will be chosen based on a best fit into your rough opening, and that opening may need to be modified to properly install the replacement window or patio door. A custom size window or patio door will be custom manufactured to the exact size of your window opening. Each one in your house is going to be different. The customization will require less labor in the installation of the replacement window or patio door, okay? So whether you purchase stock or custom replacement windows and patio doors, there are two distinct types of replacement and window and patio door packages, or scopes of work, we'll call it, that are available. First, there's the product and self-installation or self-arranged installation type of a scope of work. Second, there's the turnkey product with installation. Let's take a closer look at both of these. Self-installation package, they would establish product specifications, style, size, options, etc., as determined by you or your contractor that'll be doing the installation. And they will be ordering the windows and patio doors from the manufacturer for you. They would then receive into their warehouse and inspect the accuracy of the order, and then delivering the windows and patio doors to the job site. Now, this could be optional. So the obvious advantage of installing your own replacement windows is that you'd save window and patio door installation costs. So let's take a look at that price component first. On average, most people will spend between $50 and $375 per window and about $700 to $1,300 per patio door on installation. Now, this is not including the price of your own labor. So your ultimate cost is depending on the scope of the project and who does the majority of the work. The more labor you do, the price gets to the lower end of that spectrum. The more work you have done by others, the price goes to the higher end on installation. So again, the price of the project is dependent on who does the majority of the work and also provides the installation materials. They cost money. So if you're considering a self-installation or a self-directed installation, ask if the quoted price for the windows and patio doors includes delivery. Again, that's something that has to be done. If pickup at the warehouse is not an option, then get a delivery quote in writing. Delivery fees could be anywhere from $50 to $200 within a 50 to 75 5-mile radius of the point of sale. Now that we know the installation portion of the project price range, let's talk about the price of the replacement window and patio door products. Here, the type of material that is, vinyl, wood, aluminum, composite, from which the replacement windows and patio doors are manufactured, along with the style, the features, the options, and the size, will make a big difference in the price. There's a very detailed breakdown of the price range for replacement windows and patio doors by material and style in the blog article on our website. Go to www.jantekwindows.com to see that blog article. A lot of detail there. Now I will give you a summary of that price. Remember, these prices are for the product only. Add an installation price. We already covered that earlier. To these if you want to arrive at the total project price per window or patio door, or what we call the turnkey price. For standard style windows like, let's say, a double hung, slider, casement, or picture windows, the price ranges per window are typically for vinyl between $250 and $875. The wood version would be $525 up to $2,150. Aluminum will be between $325 and $1,150. Composite material windows will be between $425 and $1,050. Now remember, that is for the product only. Add the installation numbers that we talked about earlier to that for turnkey. For architectural shape windows, vinyl will be between $400 and $1,700. Wood will be between $900 and $3,250. Aluminum will be between $550 and $2,800. Composite will be between $575 and $3,000. Now, patio doors, of course, are more expensive than windows in any material. So patio doors will typically be priced at $900 to $2,800 for vinyl. Wood patio doors will be between $1,950 and $7,100. Aluminum patio doors will be between $1,300 and $3,800. Composite will be between $1,600 and $4,000 for a patio door. Some replacement window and patio door companies do not sell product without installation services. It's their prerogative. At Jantek, do-it-yourselfers and contractors can purchase just the replacement windows and patio doors without our installation service. We make the resources such as installation instructions available to those who wish to install their own replacement vinyl windows. But I can tell you that at Jantek, we find that the vast majority of our customers prefer to leave the installation of the windows and patio doors to us with a turnkey project. That includes both the product and the installation. The overwhelming advantage of a turnkey project is convenience, quality, and time savings. A turnkey replacement window and patio door project includes all of the things we talked about, the ordering from the manufacturer and the checking the order, things like that, the delivery, but it also includes additional details that you, the customer, would otherwise have to do. For instance, providing permits if required, hiring the installation subcontractors, or at Jantek, we use our own employee labor, not subcontractors, scheduling and overseeing the work, providing all the installation materials such as caulk, coil, shims, wood trim, etc. Remediation of any deterioration of the rough opening, such as wood rot. Remove and replace shutters if necessary. Finish the window trim to the siding. Seal and cap the exterior of the window. Finish, seal, and trim the interior. Disposal of old windows and debris. That's a big one. The scope of work for a turnkey package can vary greatly from company to company, so ask specifically what your estimate includes. It's surprising how often a company's turnkey package doesn't include or charges extra for lead testing, which is mandatory on houses built before 1978, or finishing and capping the exterior, or disposal of the old windows and debris. So it's important to consider other details like warranties, or will the installation be done by the company's employees, or will they use subcontractors, which can sometimes lead to middleman issues. Also, you should remember there are major advantages and disadvantages between vinyl, wood, aluminum, and composite windows and patio doors. So be sure to know these before selecting the products to be installed in your home or in your building. You can learn more about these differences between the different types of materials and windows in episodes 3 and 8 of the 2-Minute Window series. Just go to www.jantekwindows.com or go to Jantek's YouTube channel and subscribe to the channel. We'd appreciate it while you're there. Many customers find it worth the investment to let someone else handle everything, not to mention the added peace of mind knowing that there is only one company responsible for the project. I need to tell you to be aware that projects requiring extensive special designing, opening, remediation, or special installation methods or equipment can cost much more than I've talked about here. So you have somewhat of an idea regarding the cost dimension of your replacement window and patio door project. This is just one piece of the total picture, though. We address many more of the pieces in our blog articles comparing the different types of replacement windows and patio doors in regards to, let's say, energy, performance, warranty, lead times, what to expect during installation, replacement windows design, etc. Just go to the learning area of our website, www.jantekwindows.com, or again, to our YouTube channel for a lot more information. In the meantime, if you'd like to discuss more of your questions with our replacement window experts, or would like to have a quick, no-hassle tele-estimate on vinyl replacement windows and patio doors, just visit our website and follow the tele-estimate link, and we'll be happy to help. Well, that's it for this episode. I'm Frank G. for Jantek Windows. And remember, save energy, capture comfort.